Okay, southbound into the complex. Down, motherfucker! Get down! Down! Get down! You better not fucking pull any fucking gun! I'm fucking get down! Down! Down, motherfucker! Get down! I'm gonna fucking...
Charles, where? Eastwood or Harrisburg? Where are you at?
Eastwood at Brady. Eastwood, I got shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect's down. Eastwood at Brady.
Hey, shots fired.
Give me some backup. I need to check and see if I'm okay. Put your hands where I can see them! Put your fucking hands where I can see him! He's down on the ground! Get down!
Where are you at?
God damn it! Brady at Eastwood along the trail. Brady at Eastwood.
Just hold him down and tell him we're coming.
You better not fucking move!
We're right over them.
Rob, right here, right in front, Rob. Watch it because he's got his hands concealed. I can't see his hands.
Show me your hands.
Show us your hands.
All right, go.
Ready?
I got cover. Go ahead. What's the call sign?
Right hand.
All right, let's get back on. Here. Hold it. Let me get. You got the keys. I got the keys.
It's open. Keys are in there.
Gun.
Okay. That's your spirit.
Come on, grab it.
It's true, back to the ambulance. Gun clear.
Wait, hit.
Type expressions.
Just cut it off. Cut. One at a time. Take it slow.
You want to cuff him?
I got Jesse.
Gunshot wound.
Hey, I'll give you a call.
I got Jesse, guys.
One GSW, right rib.
Keep going. You need to take over.
It's all good.
Keep going.